Hello, my name is Billy, and this is Southern ELR and Reloading. Today, we're going to go over a few things. We're getting ready for Spear Point this weekend, and I had to get a new mount for my chronograph because I utilize my other Gray Ops mount for my Action 5 Pro DJI camera. It works really good on this setup. Even though it wasn't designed for this. So my Gray Ops chronograph came in today, the arm, and so we're going to go ahead and assemble it. So if you know anything about ELR light class, it is a 26-pound weight limit total on your rifle. So whatever you take to the line, excluding ammunition, is what the rifle should weigh if you go and put it on a scale. So that's what we're going to test today. We're going to make sure we're not overweight, because that would not be a fun way to get disqualified. So this mount is really easy to assemble. I believe it only has 2 Allen heads. I wanted to leave everything in the package, that way you can see I didn't try to change anything with the weight of the rifle just yet. So it just lines up like that, and you can put it either way. Well, no, I don't think you can. This needs to be on the outside. Two little Allen heads, little bitty guys, so careful, you don't want to lose those. So that is a 1/8" Allen head. I didn't put any thread locker on my my other one here, and I've got a lot of rounds down that thing. I would say probably every bit of 1,000 rounds on that other mount without Loctite, so no issues there. Snug it up, should be good. Then our Garmin. We'll go ahead and take it off this little mount here. This is what comes with the Garmin, so it does work good. And how do we want that? This has a little push tab right here, so it locks onto the Picatinny. And just a little screw with threads. That's how I figured out that my Action Pro 5 stick would work. The Action stick, it has the same threads as this, so that's why that worked for me. And so look, where are we gonna? We're gonna have it like that. Just like that, guys. It's really simple. This thing's awesome. Like I said, anybody wants one of these, go to grayops.com. Call Dave Preston. He'll hook you up with some M&Ms also. Just like that. So I'm going to show you guys what this thing weighs. Hopefully the Action 5 will pick it up. So this was with all my weights, the added stick, and an extra mount with the Garmin on it. This is how I'm going to run my rifle this ELR season. And if it's overweight, then I'm going to remove some weight. Not a big deal. So I'm going to show you guys what this thing weighs. Hopefully the Action 5 will pick it up. So this was with all my weights, the added stick, and an extra mount with the Garmin on it. This is how I'm going to run my rifle this ELR season. And if it's overweight, then I'm going to remove some weight. Not a big deal. Wow, 26 pounds on the dot. That is awesome. Well, that goes with what I wanted to do. I want to keep this thing so close to the weight limit that if we get too much carbon in the barrel, it's going to put us over 26 pounds. So, well, that's with a lot of carbon buildup in there right now. And so I still got to clean this thing. I've got a lot of work to do. So guys, I wanted to show you this. And then my OLLIN came in also. This is for an iPhone 16. I'm not going to be able to put it on because this is what I'm filming with is the 16. But I think you'll get it. So this, just a phone case, essentially. Goes over the camera hole right there, and it actually protects the other camera. Hopefully I didn't mess up, and I don't know, we'll test it. Oh, scope's right here. So this goes on there just like that, and probably ought to get your scope pretty well focused in before you put that on there because it will change if you try to rotate it. Pretty easy to figure out though. And so you get your phone in there, get it set up, bam, just like that. There'll be some minor adjustments that you have to do, but this is really, it's set up in there really tight. This one feels really good. I've had my other iPhone 10 for about a year now and haven't had any issues, but this one actually, that one feels really good. Let me see what my other one, that felt like that. It's got this little groove around there. I don't know that my other one had that. That's cool. This is where I usually keep it. Okay, no. This one does have a little ring also. I guess I just never really paid attention to it that much. It always worked so good, I never had to really do too much to it. So, yeah, that's it. This thing's awesome. They'll you figure out what scope you got, tell them, and they'll give you the correct adapter. And then I believe you don't have to buy a new adapter for the phone case. I believe, let me try it. Okay, yeah, so I went ahead and bought a new one, complete. So if you got multiple phones, you just need the one on the same scope. So there you go. That's it. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up. I got to get I got to get loading. Actually, I got to get all my loads put together. I'm going to go ahead and use virgin brass for this one. That way, since I started the channel, we can keep track of the brass 100%. So that's what I'm going to do. I got to get to start loading those up and get everything loaded up for this weekend. So thank you guys. And like I said before, if you guys like this, please like and subscribe, and that'll help us out to get more content for you guys. And if you got any questions about the Gray Ops or the OLLIN or any of this stuff, just let me know. Give me some comments, and we'll answer as best we can and go from there. All right, thank you guys. We'll see you this weekend.